Yo, this is Kaio. Welcome to the AIRFLARE progression week 4. In this series I'm trying to learn AIRFLAREs in my opposite direction, counterclockwise. This is my normal clockwise AIRFLARE and this is my counterclockwise AIRFLARE. This week I want to change things a little bit. Probably I will still practice just 3 times a week, but in all these days I'm gonna practice a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna follow my own AIRFLARE follow along tutorial. I'm gonna practice spinning handstands and walkovers, and I'm gonna practice combos and power moves on my weak direction, especially flare, windmills and swipes. So let's start by following the AIRFLARE follow along tutorial. If you wanna see it and follow it as well, the link is gonna be in the description. And if you will need more help for your power moves or your breaking, check out my Patreon link in the description. In my opposite AIRFLARE, I have trouble kicking this leg, the right one, up in the air and maintaining it up in the air. In fact, all the time that I'm landing on the right arm, the right leg touches the floor. So for me, when I do these throwing exercises, it would be even better trying to land with the opposite foot on the floor. Usually I do this. This thing here, and I try to land in this position here or in this position here. But I figure out that could be more useful for my case to try to land in this position instead of this. So try to land first in this position here, and when I get better, turning more and landing in this position here and then this position here. By the way, I'm gonna still practice touching and landing like this in this position, but I also wanna try the opposite thing, landing here and then landing here and then landing directly here. I still don't know how it looks like because I haven't checked the footage yet, but when I do it I feel pretty good. The feeling is a little bit new for me because I'm used to land with the opposite foot on the floor, but by landing with the left foot on the floor, the feeling is very good. I'm trying to get higher with this exercise. I think it's a little bit better, but there is still a lot of room to improve. Whoa! I felt way better. I'm really curious to see how it looks like. You have already seen it, I didn't. Maybe it looks very bad, but I never felt that way by doing an AIRFLARE on my opposite direction. I feel this way for me. I want to test something. I don't know if I'm gonna able to do it. I want to try to do flare to AIRFLARE by landing with my left foot first, like a coin drop, like I did before. It looks like more a swipe with a hop instead than an AIRFLARE. Now I'm gonna try to make it look a little bit more like an AIRFLARE. Let's see how it works. I think it was a little bit better. I'm so heavy, why? Whew. Week 4, day 2. Today I'm gonna still practice the same things as yesterday, but I will focus a bit more on the combos. day 3. Today I want to focus on spinning handstand a little bit more because I really feel like I need to improve it, and yesterday I didn't practice it so much. Then a little bit of walkover maybe, and then I got an idea to learn how to connect AIRFLARE to FLARE. I don't know if it's gonna work, it's pretty dangerous, but I want to try it. So today I watched some clips of me practicing AIRFLARE to FLARE for the first time on my regular side, and I noticed that sometimes I was landing kind of like in this position here and then going to FLARE. Today I want to try to land on this part of the knee and then slide and connect to FLARE. I'm gonna wear 2 pads, one on the knee and one on the foot, like this. I will try to land here in this position with the side of the knee on the floor and with the side of the foot on the floor, so I can lean and slide. This is the idea. I don't recommend to try this way if you don't have the basics. I felt like I lost all the energy by practicing FLARE to AIRFLARE to FLARE, and now I'm not able to do combos anymore. However, I'm pretty happy with the result today. I know that my FLARE to AIRFLARE to FLARE is very unclean for the moment, but I think I'm on the right path to learn it.
Oh yes, AIRFLARE progression, 4th week.
If you will need help for your power moves or your breaking in general, check out my Patreon link in the description. And if you want to improve even more, be a ninja or become your own superhero, check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!